So yesterday I shot this deer antler right here with the 17 WSM, as well as right there with the 17 WSM, and neither one was able to go through. And then I shot it right there with the 204 Ruger. Using 40 grain nozzle ballistic. It went in and out, and then it went into that melon and did some serious damage in there. A little tiny piece did come out the back, but most of it stayed inside there. And today I'm going to take a similar spaghetti squash. We're going to shoot the femur bone. That's a cow femur bone. And then we're going to go through that and hopefully into the melons. At 100 yards, all these shots are taken at 100 yards. And we'll see what we can do. This one here is a little bit smaller, I think, so we'll use it for the 17 WSM. And then we'll use this one here for the 204 Ruger. A lot of people talk about the 204 Ruger and how the bullet will splash if it hits a bone. I'm here to show today that it's not going to splash. It's going to go through the bone and then cause some serious damage. See what happens. So here's the 17 WSM. Okay, so we shot the first femur bone with the 17 WSM. A lot bigger, and wow, it just shattered it big time, blew it to bits. Doesn't even, oh yeah, over here there's a chunk,
holy, over here's a chunk, here's a chunk. So we probably got a good 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
About 8 yards away we found pieces. But now the real question, did it do any damage to the melon? Nope. No damage at all to the melon. Melon is totally intact. Maybe a little scratch there, but nothing that's going to cause any damage. So we'll set her back up. Actually, we'll use a fresh one, bigger melon, and a bigger femur bone. And now we'll try the 204. Okay, here's the 204 into the femur bone and into the squash. So I suspect we're gonna have a lot better results this time. Splatter that femur bone. Same thing. More remnants everywhere. Just smaller and about the same distance away. Not sure if those are the same pieces or different pieces. But the melons are gonna tell the real story in behind that femur. Yeah, that's what I thought. Totally destroyed it. It probably went in there and then a piece came out, but we can look at the video and see what happened there. So yeah, so nothing, that a little kind of indent there in the wood, but nothing too serious. So all the energy into the spaghetti squash. So bullet splash on a bone, I highly doubt it. Maybe, but nothing from what I've seen shooting coyotes